What if one man could revolutionize the way the world manufactures goods? That man was Henry Ford. Born to a family of farmers in rural Michigan, young Henry had a fascination with machinery that set him apart. His passion led him to the bustling city of Detroit, where he began his foray into the world of automobiles. But Ford's vision extended beyond merely building cars. He dreamt of a world where these machines could be produced quickly, efficiently, and affordably. In pursuit of this vision, Ford introduced groundbreaking innovations that would forever change the face of manufacturing. He conceived the assembly line, a system where each worker performed a single task in the production process. This method not only sped up production but also made automobiles more affordable for the masses. From a humble farm boy to an industrial pioneer, Ford's journey was just beginning. Imagine a world where only the elite could afford cars. Then came the Model T. Henry Ford's brainchild, the Model T, was more than just a car. It was a revolution on wheels. Born out of Ford's vision to create a vehicle for the great multitude, the Model T was the first automobile that middle-class Americans could afford. Built with durability and simplicity in mind, the Model T was designed to traverse the rough American landscapes of the early 20th century. Its introduction not only transformed the transportation landscape, but also had far-reaching effects on society, economy, and culture. It sparked the age of the automobile, as cars transitioned from luxury items to everyday essentials. The Model T also played a pivotal role in democratizing car ownership. As it became more accessible, it changed the way people lived, worked, and traveled, and even reshaped the urban landscape. The Model T was not just a car, it was a catalyst for change. What if there was a system that standardized mass production, paid high wages, and offered low prices for consumers? Welcome to Fordism. This concept, pioneered by Henry Ford, revolutionized the industrial world. Fordism was more than just a production method. It was a comprehensive system where goods were mass-produced using assembly lines, workers were well paid to ensure a stable workforce, and products were sold at affordable prices to stimulate consumer demand. This mechanism of efficiency and affordability was instrumental in shaping the global economy. It was the catalyst that propelled the United States into an era of unprecedented economic growth during the 20th century. The principles of Fordism have permeated countless industries, from automobile manufacturing to fast food chains and even the tech sector. Today, its influence is seen in the standardized, mass-produced goods we consume every day. Fordism was not just a production system, it was a philosophy of efficiency and abundance. What if you could learn from a man who changed the world? Let's delve into the legacy of Henry Ford. A titan of industry, Ford's impact echoes well beyond the realm of automobiles. His innovative spirit, his unyielding perseverance, and his commitment to social responsibility have influenced generations of entrepreneurs and industrialists. Ford's approach to business was groundbreaking. He championed the idea that companies should serve society, not just shareholders. This principle is now at the heart of modern corporate social responsibility. Ford also taught us that innovation isn't just about creating new products. It's about finding better, more efficient ways to do things. Ford's life offers invaluable lessons in resilience. Faced with numerous failures, he never gave up. Instead, he used these setbacks as stepping stones to success. It's a testament to the power of perseverance and the indomitable human spirit. Henry Ford's legacy isn't just about cars or manufacturing, it's about the relentless pursuit of progress.